In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox low memory on mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it could be really annoying if you're trying to play Roblox on your phone, but you're getting some low memory error. There's actually an easy fix for this. So all you want to do is firstly go over to your settings application, then from here go to general, scroll down and find background app refresh. Make sure this is turned off. If a lot of apps are running in the background, they could be just consuming and eating up all your memory, which is needed for Roblox to even run. So I just recommend turning it off entirely, or if you want to keep it on for a few apps like the ones that you think you need running in the background, and turn it off for everything else. But in my instance, I have it off for everything. Next thing you can also do is, while you're still in general, go to iPhone storage. Now, if you're running out of storage, like if you're really close to your limit, that could be why you have, low memory error on Roblox on your phone. So you might want to clear your storage as much as you can. As you can see, I have like most of my storage left on my phone. But if that still doesn't work, like after reviewing and going through your photos, videos, apps you don't need, anything like that, you've deleted all that stuff and it's still happening, all I want to do is find Roblox on my phone storage. So as you can see, Roblox is right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I see offload and delete app. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and offload the app. It says this will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps its documents and data, and then reinstalling the app will reinstall your data if your app is still available for download. So just press offload app, reinstall it again, and it's basically going to reset all the cache and all of that stuff that's connected to your Roblox account. Then you shouldn't have a low memory issue on Roblox anymore. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.